It's opening day in baseball, and a local girl is on a journey to throw out the first pitch in all 30 Major League ballparks.
Yeah, we caught up with Hailey Dawson and her family as they get ready to throw out the first pitch at Saturday's game in San Diego.
Well, it's MLB's opening day, and one young fan from Las Vegas is attempting to throw out the first pitch at every single baseball stadium. This is really a story with one hook, and that is the fact that she has a 3D printed hand.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. You may recognize her from throwing out the first pitch in the Game 4 of the World Series. That happened, of course, in Houston. News 3's Faith Jessie caught up with Hailey Dawson.
4 years ago, Hailey Dawson and her family came here to UNLV looking for a 3D printed prosthetic hand. 6 months later, Hailey ended up right here on this mound, making the first pitch for the UNLV baseball team. Now we fast forward to today. Hailey's doing a whole lot more than just throwing this ball. 8-year-old Hailey Dawson is gearing up to throw the first pitch at this Saturday's Padres game. Dabbing and flossing. After a good throw, she practices with her mom 4 years after getting her 3D printed hand.
She's missing the three digits in the center, and then her pinky and her thumb are really small, so they're not really functioning.
They came here to UNLV's Howard Hughes College of Engineering. It's where they met grad student Maria Girardi. They were hoping she could help solve the issue Hailey's Poland syndrome caused.
So she slides her hand in here, and then just by bending her wrist, it closes like that.
A cost-effective solution.
This costs, material-wise, a couple $100s, where the other prosthetics could cost up to $20,000 plus.
Hailey's story got nationwide attention. Meet Sophia Herrera. She was born with amniotic band syndrome, and her family turned to UNLV because of Hailey's story.
My sister actually saw Hailey on TV, and she called my mom.
My eldest daughter, she got excited. She said, "Mom, you need to contact UNLV."
And now this. 4 years later, and she's pitched for
Baltimore Orioles and the Washington Nationals.
And Game 4 of the 2017 World Series. Now Hailey has her eyes set on every Major League team, a goal inspiring kids like Sophia.
Anything I could do, you could do.
Hailey and her family will head to San Diego tomorrow so Hailey can throw the first pitch of the Padres game on Saturday. And if you're watching this and know somebody that might need a prosthetic limb, you can call the UNLV Howard Hughes School of Engineering. They're there to help you out. I'm Faith Jessie signing out, News 3.
Yes.